Hi, we are of Team 18. I'm Pavitra Muraveni, and these are our teammates Loka Kalyan, Soumya, Ketan, Saiteja, and Venkat Sai Pradeep. We have worked under the guidance of Dr. Abdullah Mahbid and for the project, capstone project, comparative study and analysis of IKS estimation products. So, for the sprint 6, we have worked mainly on the enhancements and comparing the results of all three models and documenting all these steps that we have followed to implement all these models. So basically, coming to the sprint 6, and we have achieved the goals that we have met, we have finalized for the sprint 6. So this is the first user story, which is for enhancements of eye tracker model. This has been worked by our teammates Saiteja and Pradeep. So they have basically worked on enhancements of the code of eye tracker model, which will give us better performance and results. And we have also a subtask of this, which is like documentation of eye tracker model. So it's like we have attached the documentation here. And coming to the next user story, it is for the enhancements of ODE model, which has been worked by Soumya and Loka. So even this is also on working on the enhancements of ODE model code to get better performance results. And we also have this subtask for this. It does document the steps for the Adobe ODE model. And coming to the next user story, um, this is the project documentation of each model, and this user story has been divided into six subtasks, which is assigned to each of our teams: Saiteja, Pradeep, Soumya, Lokakalyan, Ketan, and Pavitra. So each person have worked on documenting the each model steps, and also they have created a README file in our GitHub. So each model have each README file on how to work on how to download and run the code of each model. So all this have been worked by each individual and added in the doc in the GitHub, and they are also documented and pushed the code into this GitHub. So this is another user story. And if we go to the next user story, it is the enhancements of face model, which has been worked by Ketan and Pavitra. This is basically the same of the other models. The same, we have done the enhancements for the face model on the code, and this has been used this is to get the better performance results. And even this has been divided into subtasks for the documentation of the steps that we have followed. And coming to the next user story, it is for the compare and analysis of the results. So basically, the outcome of this project is to implement the models and compare, enhance the code to get the better performance results, and compare the training and testing time, and even the loss that we have got for the all the three models. And so this is basically the same user story, which has been allotted to all of our teammates. So each of us have worked on it, and we have prepared documentation and documented all this comparative analysis that we have done for all these three models. So even we have also had this subtask for it, which has the documentation of this part. It is added here. There's a subtask of it. And coming to the next the final kind of user story is this. So it's for code cleanup and modifications. This has been assigned to all of our teammates. So each have been worked on their assigned model. So it is basically to refactor the code for better readability, and also it is to follow the best good software practices, so that it will be helpful for the user to understand the code, and to analysis the functionalities of the code. So this has been worked by entire team. So this is all the user stories that we have worked on for the sprint 6, and we have met the goals of the sprint 6 for enhancing and uh, comparing the results of three models. So this is the burn down chart. So we have all closed the sprint and we have successfully completed it. And coming to the backlog, as of now we don't have any backlog. So as this is the last sprint, we have concluded everything: the documentation, the implementation, the enhancements of all the three models, and even this has been documented, and we have shared it with our professor Abdullah Marbid. And coming to this output, there's a poster that we have made, and coming to this output of this is the output of data pre-processing of each model. So we have divided the entire data set into 10% of it, and initially worked on that. And coming to the software demo, this is a software demo of the eye tracker, which has a training and testing loss. Even coming to the ODE model, this is the training and testing of the ODE model, the loss, and this is the pre-processing of the face and the output of the face model. So yeah, this is overall our uh, project, and thank you so much for listening to us, and thank you.